My name is Rick Renner. People are all the time saying, Rick, what are all the things on your shelves and hanging on the walls of your TV studio and your TV set? So today I'm going to show you something which for me is very interesting. I think you'll find it very entertaining. But first, I want to share with you from 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 27, where the Apostle Paul says, God delights in choosing people no one else would choose. In fact, he specifically writes, God chooses the foolish things of the world to confound the wise. I think that verse describes me and my family. We were so unlikely to be chosen by God to be doing what we are doing. And my mind goes back to our family history. Our family first came to the state of Oklahoma when it was still Indian territory. And when our family came to the state of Oklahoma, believe it or not, I told you this would be entertaining, we were a circus family. We really were a circus family. We had clowns, we had musicians, we had animals, we had elephants, we had it all. And our family traveled under the big top in Indian territory, and hanging on the walls of our studio is one of the original photos of the big tent that belonged to our family. And our family in the late 1800s traveled across Indian territory in this tent. And this is a photo of some of the members of the circus. This is our family. And here you'll see members of an orchestra, you'll see clowns, entertainers. This is who we were in the late 1800s. Well, according to the world, we looked like clowns, but God had a call on my life. And when I look at these photos, I think about where we came from as a family and how God laid his hand on my life. And it reminds me, God chooses unlikely people to do spectacular things. God wants to choose you to do something beyond your wildest imagination. But that's why these photos hang on the walls of our Moscow TV studio.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.